Hello guys, today we'll do a quick recap from what happened in the world today and on the weekend, so you guys are updated. This is more trading focused but also news focused, so you guys have that summarized information. Okay, sorry about my raspy voice, I'm a little bit, you know, let's get to it. So first of all, remember to register on LBank. Okay, we have right now a promotion campaign with Nobody Sausage. They have a pretty solid community. They are the best. You can win up to $80,000, right? They also have a pretty solid consistency on the meme coins and the games and everything. So, make sure to check the LBank/exchange. Okay. Okay. So this weekend has been strange because supposedly there was going to happen this ceasefire of between Iran and the United States. So they were going to open the Strait of Hormuz. But as of like we saw in every news report, we saw that basically this is a lie. The blockade it's still there. They said basically that any boat will not pass unless it's paid in crypto or Chinese yuan. Okay? So right now they are blocking ships from entering or exiting. But I remember they said like 1 million times here's the 20% of the oil worldwide. Okay? So yeah, attempting to ratchet pressure on Iran to reopen the key oil route. Okay, so the countries that are affected are these ones. Okay, from the GCC. Okay, so it's Saudi Arabia has the has another channel, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so the countries really affected are. Sorry, my camera went off. Yep, sorry. Okay, I'm back. Hello, hello. Yeah, so I will continue. So the most affected countries, of course, are Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, and Oman. Well, Oman is basically not affected almost, but the problem is that China depends on 60% of, no, it was a 40%, India 60%, and Japan, I think it was 80% or something crazy, so they don't have all that time, right, to survive. So I'm sorry about the camera, right? I don't know what's happening today. But yeah. So moving on, today at night, European time, basically Viktor Orbán, well not Viktor Orbán, Hungary died. Today, Hungary becomes Jewish. As you know, Hungary elections. Basically this guy, Magyar, Peter Magyar, let me search him. He's Jewish. There's too many photos, but they're not showing him. Okay, this guy is Jewish. What means basically this? Okay, so they will import basically third world migrants. They will destroy their identity. They will bring the European Union to Hungary. They will absolutely destroy its economy. It's like the European Union on the last decade has been poisoned. Has been poisoned to the countries. Spain has been poisoned. France has been poisoned. Everything is fucked. Okay. Viktor Orban was the one that really preserved Hungary's identity. So, Hungary just wanted to care about their people, right? They only wanted to care about their people because they want to preserve their identity. Viktor Orbán didn't care about world problems. Well, of course, yes, but he cared more about into like national problems, right? He didn't send money to Ukraine, and he kept collaborating with Russia, so they can keep a steady they can keep steady prices on gas or oil or anything. So they call him on the news a Russian proxy. Take it as you want, but I think this guy, Viktor Orban, he's a nationalist. He's. I went to Hungary the last 2 years ago, and the place was clean, no immigrants. People were happy. White population still there. It was super Christian. They really, really, really cared about their identity, people, everything. So it's not like they want to replace this guy. It's like they want to replace the whole Hungary, right? So yeah, guys, it's super strange. Okay. Um. So moving on, let's see some more news. There's nothing more. I mean, bloody nose for Kremlin, of course. Yes, I won't deny that. But the bloody nose also for Hungary. He actually cared about nationalism and everything. So yeah. Next. We wanted to look at the markets right now. So gold in today's day, which is 13th of April, has been pumping. You know, we had this open because of the season of fire, this huge ass open. The market went instantly to refill it, right? So then everything has been pumping, so it just went like an incline, pump and dump and everything. So and in crypto, if you saw my other videos, I said that Bitcoin will keep pumping, right? And I was almost right. So it bounced off the 0.5, but I got stopped. So I don't know if you put your stop loss here, you would have profited. But yeah, insane trade. I liked it. Next, we have Ethereum. Basically the same. I said basically the same. So in this case, guys, when fair value gaps are not like accurate 100%. Sorry for going back. You need to, in this fair value gap, once you finish their movement, you need to constantly track the market structure shifts, the liquidity with the liquidity. Okay, so if I was on the charts 24/7, well, it's not even 24/7. It was a good time, 9 Saturday, right? If you weren't partying, then you wouldn't have missed it. So it was basically a pretty good trade. Look, it swept here. It failed to do the double, like it made a double tap right here. Then we have this. Oh my god, this market structure shift, right? Let me type it. MSS the middle. Um, Perfect. Then it went straight back to the. You can call this a breaker block because this is a breaker block. Uh, it's a order block that has been breaking and it overlaps with a fair value gap. So easy trade. It could have gone to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, this will have been okay. But of course, if you let it run, you made some huge money, right? So great. Moving on, Ethereum, I said basically the same on Ethereum. It swept these highs and the best. It swept these highs, went to the floor here, filled it, and I'm done. Okay, so I'm moving on. We don't have anything interesting. Guys, always do your own market research. This is not financial advice. Market's very volatile. You can lose all your money, okay? So be cautious. And guys, see you next time. Be careful with the markets.